If you want to switch from your Android to your new Pixel, we'll show you how to do that in this video. In a few simple steps, you can pick up from where you left off on your old phone by transferring your texts, photos, and apps. First, make sure you have your fully charged Android phone and its charging cable, your new fully charged Pixel, the adapter that came with your Pixel, and the SIM card tool that came with your Pixel. You should also have the latest software updated on your old phone and good Wi-Fi connection. Turn on your new Pixel phone. If you'd like, you can change your phone's language or vision settings. Tap Get Started. If you have a SIM card, insert it now. Then connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile network. Tap Next. Turn on your old Android and unlock it. Then, using the cable you used to charge that phone, connect it to your new Pixel. If the cable doesn't fit into your Pixel phone, use the Quick Switch adapter that came with your Pixel. On your Android, confirm it's OK to connect. Then, on your Pixel, enter your Google account password and tap Sign In. If you don't have the cable available, you can transfer data wirelessly using Wi-Fi. Now choose what you want to copy from your Android to your Pixel. If you don't want to transfer specific data, uncheck the box next to it. To begin the transfer, tap Copy. Depending on how much data your phone has, this transfer could take a few minutes or over an hour. While you're waiting, you can manage other settings. To set them up now, tap on the feature. To set them up later, tap Done for Now. If one of your apps didn't transfer, you can download it through the Google Play Store. Now you know how to easily switch from your Android to your new Pixel. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.